Hello friends, welcome to ExamDroid, your study partner. In this video, we will discuss the most important current affairs of 14th February. The first question is, who is the winner of VLCC Femina Miss India World 2020? The correct answer is Manasa Varanasi. Manasa Varanasi from Telangana is the winner of VLCC Femina Miss India World 2020. And in the same event, Mania Singh from Uttar Pradesh was declared VLCC Femina Miss India 2020 runner-up, and Manika Shiokhand from Haryana was declared VLCC Femina Miss Grand India 2020. Next question, which state police has partnered with State Bank of India for the implementation of e-Challan? The correct answer is Meghalaya. Meghalaya State Police has partnered with State Bank of India for e-Challan. Talking about Meghalaya, the capital is Shillong, the governor is Satyapal Malik, and the chief minister is Conrad Sangma. And talking about State Bank of India, it is headquartered in Mumbai, and the chairperson is Dinesh Kumar Khara. Next question, who is the author of the book Platform Scale for a Post-Pandemic World? The correct answer is Sangeet Paul Chaudhary. Sangeet Paul Chaudhary is the author of the book Platform Scale for a Post-Pandemic World. Next question, India and Afghanistan have signed a MOU for the construction of Shahatut Dam, also known as Lalandar Dam. This dam will be built on which river? The correct answer is Kabul. This dam will be built on Kabul River. And talking about Afghanistan, the capital is Kabul, the president is Ashraf Ghani, and the currency is Afghan Afghani. Next question, ISRO has partnered with which company to offer a fully indigenous mapping portal and geospatial services? The correct answer is MapMyIndia. ISRO has partnered with MapMyIndia. Talking about MapMyIndia, it is headquartered in New Delhi, and the chief managing director of MapMyIndia is Rakesh Verma. And talking about ISRO, the full form is Indian Space Research Organization. It is headquartered in Bengaluru, and the founder of ISRO is Vikram Sarabhai, and director of ISRO is K. Sivan. Next question, on which day World Unani Day is observed? The correct answer is February 11. On February 11, World Unani Day is observed. And this day marks the birth anniversary of great Unani medicine scholar and social reformer Hakim Ajmal Khan. Next question, which Indian film is shortlisted in the live action short film category for Oscars 2021? The correct answer is Bittu. Bittu is shortlisted in the live action short film category for Oscars 2021. And this film is presented by Ekta Kapoor, Gunit Monga, and writer-director Tahira Kashyap Khurana under the banner Indian Women Rising. Next question, at which location the annual convention of Association of Domestic Tour Operators of India 2021 was organized? The correct answer is Kevadia, Gujarat. This event was organized in Kevadia, Gujarat. And this convention was jointly organized by Ministry of Tourism and ADTOI. And the Minister of Tourism is Prahalad Singh Patel. Talking about Gujarat, the capital is Gandhinagar, the chief minister is Vijay Rupani, and the governor is Acharya Devvrat. Next question, Vijayanagara became the 31st district of which state? The correct answer is Karnataka. It became the 31st district of Karnataka. Talking about Karnataka, the capital is Bengaluru, the governor is Vajuvai Vala, and the chief minister is V.S. Yediyurappa. Next question, whose death anniversary is observed as Samarpan Divas on February 11th? The correct answer is Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyaya. And Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyaya was an Indian politician and the leader of the political party Bharatiya Jana Sangh. Next question, who has been named as the new leader of the opposition in Rajya Sabha? The correct answer is Mallikarjun Kharge. Mallikarjun Kharge is named as the new leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha. And he has replaced Ghulam Nabi Azad, whose tenure comes to an end. Next question, Education Ministry will rename 1063 residential schools funded under the Samagra Shiksha scheme on whose name? The correct answer is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Residential Schools. These schools will be renamed as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Residential Schools. Next question, on which day National Productivity Day is observed every year in India? The correct answer is February 12. On 12 February, National Productivity Day is observed. And this day is celebrated by National Productivity Council to promote productivity culture in India. Talking about the National Productivity Council, it is headquartered in New Delhi and the Director General is Arun Kumar Jha. And here are the answers to the quiz of the 13th February. The first question was, who is the author of the book We Will Surely Sustain? The correct answer is Avijita Gupta. Avijita Gupta is the author of the book We Will Surely Sustain. And the second question was, PhonePe has collaborated with which bank for the UPI multi-bank model? The correct answer is Axis Bank. PhonePe has collaborated with Axis Bank. And here are the questions for the quiz of 14th February. The first question is, which state government launched a campaign to make the state beggar free? And the second question is, who has been appointed as the President of United Nations Human Rights Council? Write your answer in the comment box and I will share the correct answer in the next video. If you found this video helpful, like and share and also subscribe to our channel Exam Droid for daily current affair updates. Thank you.